Hey guys, TunerThings here, and I'm about to clean my garage. Shout out to Chris Fix though, for real. Best videos though, man, on telling you how to fix shit. Anyway, today I'm cleaning out this terribly messy garage. You know, I've still just, there's like spray paint down there and Bondo and sanders and a subwoofer kit battery and just shit. Just all this stuff needs to go. Yep, cool. Let's get it backed out. All right, y'all. So I do apologize about the GoPro shutting off like midway. I didn't even realize it. Anyway, this is, yeah, I mean, that's how we're doing it now. Those are going to be going to the storage unit, so they'll be gone. Yeah, this is the only real area of mess right now. Most of it is paint, nails. I mean, it's kind of messy. This is all stuff I'm going to sell, minus the glasses. And then these are all parts to go on still, minus the Fram oil filter. Those suck. And the bottle of water, I'm not putting that on my car either. Anyway, this is much nicer now. Got all my soldering and electrical sockets and stuff in there. Miscellaneous random stuff in there to keep that I'm working on, so I can keep it out of the way and separate. Torx bits and in that thing. My cutting buffing and all that over there. Yeah. I mean, it's, you know, it's a work in progress. It'll be nicer once these are gone. So I'll have to update you guys in a future video. But I'm going to pull the car back in now, and then I'll probably try and get these out tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, hell yeah. I'm going to pull the car back in and go eat some dinner because I'm hungry as shit. So, yep, there we have it. Clean ass garage. No, not clean yet, but we're working on it. All right, y'all. Peace out, Cub Scouts. Deuces.